Good morning, students. Welcome to the new class. I am your science teacher and my name is Mrs. Jaya Sahai. I am going to teach you science today. So please watch and listen the video with full concentration. I hope you will enjoy and understand it well. So today's topic is plant in the surroundings and environment. In this chapter, today we are going to learn 3 important points. And those 3 important points are type of plants, parts of a plant, and types of a root. So, let's start about the types of plant. Students, as you know, that the plants are great natural sources for the existence of life. And we are dependent on plant for our basic needs like food, shelter, and many other important plant products. There are many kinds of plants around us. Some are big, some are small, some are weak, and some are strong. So on the basis of size and types of stem, plants are of different type. Now here I am going to show you few examples and definitions with the help of few pictures. So let's start types of plant. So the first type of plant is tree. Trees are big plant having strong woody stem like banyan tree, mango tree, peepal tree. I think you must have seen the picture of the trees, these type of trees. Here you can see the picture. This is the strong woody stem, a thick stem, and the huge branches. Here another example of trees you can see how the stem is strong woody stem and the big tree. Now, the second type of plant is herbs. Most of the herbs are medicinal plant. So your herbs are small and soft plant. For example, basil. Here is the picture of basil. You can see the basil plant in the pot. I think you will recognize this basil plant. This is called tulsi in Hindi. Now, the second herb is peppermint. That is pudina. And your mama must be making chutney with that. Now, the third type of plant is shrubs. Shrubs are medium-sized plant like rose, bushes, babool, etc. You can see the picture of bushes. These are shrubs. Now, the fourth type of plant is climbers. Climbers are also small plant. They have weak stem. They cannot stand straight on its own. They need support to stand straight. Like money plant, pea plant. You must have seen the money plant maybe in your home or some other places. Here is the picture of money plant. You see the money plant branches bending down because it cannot stand straight. All the climbers need support to climb. Now the fifth type of plant is creepers. Creepers are also small plant. They are weak plant and they grow along the ground such as pumpkin, watermelon. You can see the picture here, watermelon picture. It's creeping in the ground. It's the creepers and the fruit you can see, the big watermelon. After this, we are going to discuss about the second point, that is parts of a plant. A plant has 2 main parts. One is root and the other is shoot. The root grows below the ground and the shoot grows above the ground. And the shoot consists of a stem, branches, leaves, flowers, buds and fruits. Here again you can see the basil plant. You see the root is already under the soil, under the ground, and you can see the shoot, the stem, the leaf, and here the seeds of the tulsi, basil. So these are the parts of the plant. Here you can understand by seeing the picture. So first you see how the plant is divided. The part of the plant is divided. So the plant has 2 main parts, that is root and the shoot. Root grows under the ground and shoot grows above the ground. And the shoot consists of stem, leaves, branches, flowers and fruits. Here you can understand by seeing again the picture of a plant. You can see the root grows below the ground, under the ground, this is the root, then above the ground, this is all the part is shoot. So after root, it starts from stem, then branches, these are the branches, these all are the branches, then the leaf, so many leaves are there, then the fruit, many fruits are here, then the flower. These are the part of the plant. Now after this, the part of the plant, let's talk about types of root. There are two types of root, taproot and the fibrous root. So let's talk about the taproot first. A single thick root from which some small roots grow at the end of the stem. This is the end of the stem. Here the stem ends. And this is the main thick root. And from this main thick root, small hair type root grows. Here also another example of stem. This is the end of the stem. This is the main thick root that go deep under the ground. And then from that, small roots grow. This is called taproot. And the fibrous root, another type of root is fibrous root. Many thin and bushy roots grow at the end of the stem. So see the difference. They are called fibrous root. Here, this is the end of the stem. There are so many bushy roots grow from the end of the straight away from the end of the stem. There are many bushy roots start growing. But here, one thick root go deep under the ground, and from that small roots grow. So this is the difference between the taproot and the fibrous root. So thank you children. Go through the video, try to understand and do the worksheet according to that. Thank you once again.